French press coffee maker, best presses makers 34 Oz, 8 cup. The only encapsulated lid stainless steel 304 knot plastic 4-level filtration system and double German glass. Plastic-free French press, the only coffee maker with encapsulated stainless steel double lid. Built double to endure high temperatures and to keep your fingers safe compared to other thin lids that can burn you. Fully sealed with just a slight twist of the lid to trap all the essential oils and not let them evaporate, ensuring an exceptional full-bodied flavor. 4-level filtration system. Every extra filter screen you add to the French press plunger increases the purity of your coffee, giving it a delicate and satiny texture. Why different? Double density to last longer and fine-lined edges instead of the scratchy ones that allow sediments to pass. This French press coffee maker has every single metal piece manufactured from top-quality 304 grade stainless steel, German borosilicate glass, while cheap carafes are made from 2 regular glass pieces affixed together, making the coffee press highly sensitive and easily breakable. The Kitchen Supreme carafe's durable German glass is one single element carefully crafted from double glass, truly making it strong and thermal shock resistant. Unlike metal presses, which may generate unbearable scratching noises as you push the filters down, the German glass protects your peaceful morning mood by never generating. Newest superior design bundled the large 1-liter coffee, cold brew, not milk and tea maker, about 8 small coffee cups or 4 coffee mugs, plus 1 thick stainless steel unique spoon plus 4-level filtration system that stops all sediments plus 1 coffee tea scoop plus hard copy instruction book and pro barista's recipes. Makes the best gift. 3-year replacement guarantee. Kitchen Supreme is renowned for world-class customer service and 100% positive seller feedback on Amazon. Over 10,900. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.